tell the negative committee inside your head to sit down and zip it.
Hey guys, a quick check-in. It is Thursday 17th of March right now. I just did this really quick look. I only had about an hour to get it all done and film my Cozmobox because I need to shower now and get ready for my specialist appointment. I don't think I've really done any talking check-ins. I've been really out of action, in a lot of pain, feeling nauseous from Ed Sheeran on Sunday, so I've just been trying to recover from that, but I really needed to refilm this Cozmobox, so I thought I'll do a quick yellow look. I did film it. I don't know whether I'm going to put it up because it didn't turn out how I wanted it. I really suck at drawing flowers, but I don't know, I'll see what I can do, whether I like it or not. So yeah, I'm just gonna jump in the shower now, take my makeup off and get ready for the doctors, but I will chat to you guys later. Bye guys.
Your dreams, baby, get you and me. It's time to boss up. Fix your credit, girl, get at it. Get your bag up. Hit that gym.
Hey guys, quick check-in. It is Friday 17th of March. It's currently 8:30. We are just about to head off to the vets and then we're going to go out for lunch with my grandma today. I went to my appointment yesterday. I have a surgery date. It is the 23rd of May, so I've still got another 10 weeks worth of waiting. I'm a bit disappointed that I have to wait that long, but unfortunately he's so booked out. It was the first chance he could get me in. I'm feeling a bit down about it all today, so I think I'm gonna do a separate video, maybe for one of my endo videos, maybe week 4, so keep an eye out for that. But we did pop into a Mecca yesterday because the Beauty Loop bonus box was out, so I thought I would just show you what we picked up. I didn't buy anything, but my mother-in-law did, so yeah, let me show you what she got. She is loving the Frank Body Glycolic Body Scrub, so she got a big tub of this. This is her favorite hand cream at the moment. It is from Soap and Glory and it is hand food hydrating hand cream. So she got a large one and she actually got 2 small ones as well. Sorry, she got 4 small ones, so it's just the small ones that she can pop in her bag. And then the lucky last item is the Beauty Loop box. So I am level 2 with them currently. I am about to drop back down to level 1 because I haven't been purchasing and I am on a spending round at the moment. But yeah, I got my little freebie box here, which is super cute. It's just like this. And it's a little gift from Frank Body. So it's in this little waterproof shower bag. And then we got 2 items. So we got a little glycolic body scrub in the pouch, and then we also got the Perky Sculpting Body Hydrator in a little pouch as well. So super cute. Sorry, I've got the hiccups and I just hiccup middle of saying that. But yeah, we're about to head off to the vets. Evie's got a follow-up appointment because she had conjunctivitis in her eyes. So she's been on cream for the last week, so they just want to check up on that. Macy also hurt her arm last night, so she's walking around fine now and playing fine, but I'm just gonna get them to double check and make sure there's no issues there. And Archie, we will get his follow-up blood results today, so I'll keep you guys updated on that. But yeah, I couldn't sleep last night, so I've been up since like 3:30 this morning. So I washed my hair, did my makeup, did this cute look for endo awareness, and I actually just filmed my week 3 endo awareness video. So I did it as my Q&A, which came from my Instagram. So yeah, anyways, I will chat to you guys later. Bye guys.
I got secrets that nobody knows.
You make me feel like my troubled heart is 1,000,000 miles away. You make me feel
Hey guys, quick check-in. It is the day 18th of March, it's actually 7 p.m. right now. I'm not doing too well today. Yesterday really took it out of me. We went to the vets, then went and had a chat with my grandparents, and then we took my grandma out for lunch. So it's Morgan's mum, me and my grandma. It was really nice, but then we got stuck in traffic on the way home. Was driving for 2.5 hours on the way home, and sitting in that same position whilst driving was not good for my body. So I'm just not doing the best today. I'm in a lot of pain, feeling a bit down as well. So yeah, a bit emotional today because of my pain. I just want a break from it. Just one break that will do me. Like, I'm not asking for the world. I just want a little bit of time to feel like me again. Just heating up leftover spaghetti bolognese that I cooked on Thursday night for dinner. Morgan went to work today. I've just been sitting in bed, shower, or on the lounge. My heat pack's on. So yeah, that's pretty much all I've done today. Making some fresh pasta for it as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it to check in on. Tomorrow we've got to go out. We've got an appointment tomorrow, so yeah, I will be going out tomorrow, unfortunately. I'm about to have some pain meds with dinner, so hopefully that helps a little bit. But yeah, that's pretty much it for me today. My twinnie, my American best friend, Erica Beauty, she did an endo look today, so I did stay on her live and watch that. And then she did a really beautiful duet with my TikTok, so that was really good. It looks like as though I've got me as a friend next to me. It's meant to be outside, but it's so dirty in this area because of all the new houses getting built and stuff like that. So it's inside on the air fryer. But yeah, that's all from me. I guess I will chat to you guys tomorrow, hopefully. Bye guys.
Like a small boat on the ocean, sending big waves into motion. Like how a single word can make a heart open. I might only have one match, but I can make an explosion. This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Prove I'm alright song. My power's turned on. So right now I'll be strong. I'll go my fight song. And I don't really care if nobody else leaves, 'cause I've still got a lot of fight left in me. So far from my mind. So far from my mind.
Spent the day out. We were doing some stuff at Morgan's mum's house today again. Well, I was pretty much on doggy duties, doggy babysitting duties, whilst him and his mum did some more of the laundry. The laundry is now finished. I forgot to take a video of it, so I'm going to ask her if she can take a quick video and send it to me so I can add it to my vlog. But if not, then I'll add it in a future vlog for you guys to see. So basically, I'll see if she can give me a before picture as well. But we've redone the floors. She's changed out the shelving in there and painted the shelf that was actually in there permanently. So it looks really nice now. So yeah, I'll see if I can add that in for you guys. But I'm going to end out the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's vlog. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!